Tawil eh. Balikan na.
Kabutin mo, dapat dito.
Sa target. Ang asawa ko, napagod. Itutulak na sila sa skydiving.
Ibinahagi ni Jinky Pacquiao sa kanyang followers ang ilang kaganapan sa Chicago habang sinasamahan nila ang kanilang anak na si Queen Elizabeth or Queenie Pacquiao sa paghahanda para sa kanyang college journey. Sa latest update ni Jinky, makikita ang kanilang campus tour at pamimili ng mga gamit para sa bagong school ni Queenie. Ayon sa mga ulat, mag-aaral si Queenie sa Loyola University, Chicago, kung saan kukunin niya ang bachelor's degree in forensic science. Kapansin-pansin din ang pagiging hands-on na Jinky at Manny Pacquiao bilang mga magulang habang sinasamahan ang kanilang anak sa bagong chapter ng kanyang buhay. Marami rin ang humanga sa Pacquiao family dahil kahit kilala sila sa kanilang yaman at tagumpay, nakikita pa rin silang simple, family-oriented at down-to-earth. Tara, silipin natin ang masasayang kaganapan ng Pacquiao family sa Chicago.
Is it Queenie? All right. Where did it? Yes. Did you want to do the presentation? You just want a tour. Problem. Yeah. All right. So it is 2:37. We've got about like 6 minutes, and then the tours will go out. So instead of joining the presentation, you can just have a seat. Enjoy what we can see up the lakefront right now. And then one of the tour guides will call your name and take you out with one of the groups to show you the campus. And then if you do have questions, your admissions counselor, his name is Joe. Just come back and ask for him and we'll answer those questions. Okay, yeah. Welcome to Loyola. Did you park in the garage?
No. Wala kagwapo sa... Saan? Ha? Ha? Sushi? Ah, tayo? Oo, sushi. Ito lang dito.
No, they're here in Chicago. Yeah. He's trying to get her to go, but he's like, you know, but one day.
Yeah.
Or no, maybe they'll retire down there.
Our traditional art facilities like our painting studios, granite studios, and even like our digital art computer lab.
Hindi pwede na wala ka. So your dad grew up, your dad went to school, you also?
Yes, yeah.
Ito, can you
We're going to head on out to these doors. Yeah, that's going to be more for our athletes. We're about to pass our student recreation center. Now we are on one of Loyola's 5 campuses. This is our Lakeshore campus, of course appropriately named because we are right alongside Lake Michigan. As we exit out through these doors, I definitely encourage you to take a look at our beautiful horizon view. I get to pass that every day on my way to class. It never gets old. Either of those, feel free to ask, but otherwise, I'm pretty familiar with the other majors as well, so don't shy away. And then I'm originally from Schaumburg, Illinois, so if you're familiar with any of the Chicago suburbs, that's around where I'm from. And then aside from being a tour guide, my extracurriculars include being the president of Delta Phi Lambda Sorority Incorporated. I do a lot of singing, dancing, and volunteering work with our Filipino club here at Loyola. I am a research assistant in a psychology research lab, so if you have any questions about research at Loyola, regardless of major, I can answer those too. And then I know that interdisciplinary honors applications usually go out alongside the applications to Loyola, so if you have any questions about those, feel free to let me know. But other than that, that is pretty much it for my introduction. Now if we would like to have our students. So we have 3 groups with us today. It's a little bit of a larger tour, so it'll be a little bit of a party. How are we all doing today? I know we have some traveling from the Philippines. Are any of you out of state traveling today? Where are you coming from? New York? Oh wow, how was the travel here?
Oo, doon kasama ng doon. Sa kabila doon. Sa kabila. Travel eh. Ganun.
I have a skirt. Skirt. Report mo yung report.
Bigyan niya ay
Okay, tingnan. Kasi dito ihalo yung ano mo. Ibang card dapat. Hindi ihalo itong
oo, doon kasama ng doon. Sa kabila doon. Sa kabila. Travel eh. Ganun.
Krakit kayo. Ay, kanit. I have a skirt. Skirt. Diba? Nakasambit. Dali lang, be.
Kanina pa kami naglakad
Ganito
sa,
pa nakausap.
sa Target. Ang asawa ko,
Model pa ang peg.
napagod, itutulak na lang sila sa sakay na sasakay na lang sila.
Hindi jokes naman.
Umaga. Ayun, umaga.
Maganda pala dito sa Target. Hindi ka mapapagod.
Yes,
Okay.
ano lang siya.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Bye. Diba? Bago naman kayo yung lakas. I want this one, this one, this one.
Napagod ka rin. Alakad mo ka muna maglakad, napagod ka rin.
Buti na lang may ganito pala sa Target. Okay. Kagang lagi din. Kailangan din pabulkin. Kailangan din pabulkin.
Sira pala yan.
Dili, yung ano, ang galing.
Uy, sira na. Sira na Sira. Kaya hindi na ginagamit.
Marami ba? Back to the picture. Back to the picture.
Yes. Change kami kay parang sira siya. Na-flat siya, guys. So, parang isa lang yung nakikita ko. I'm park. Pwede ko sa ganun? Yan, hintayin ko lang sila dito. Okay. Thank you very much. Sa log.